Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys are having the start of a great week. And today we've made it to day number 183 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. If you guys have been following these videos, please go back and watch the previous ones, okay? And so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. And if you're new to this channel, what we are doing, guys, we're shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're working that method to see if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year, okay? So go back and watch those previous videos from day one all the way up till now so you can kind of get up to speed on where we started versus where we are right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop right into it. Day number 183. All right, I'm gonna take you guys over here to My Legion Secret. If you don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Now, what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have. All right. The cool thing about My Legion Secret is that they allow you to have multiple accounts. So you can literally sign up and then sign up underneath your own affiliate link, and you can keep stacking your accounts on top of each other. That way, all of your accounts will be under you, and every single month you will get a credit back for the accounts that you have, which is pretty cool. All right. So just a little bit about myself with My Legion Secret. I've been with My Legion Secret, guys, over a few years now. I totally love the service. Okay. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. These leads are real. I have received paychecks from My Legion Secret, and also I've received paychecks from affiliate networks such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty, Blue Media Ventures, tons of different networks that I've worked with and tried this traffic out on. Okay, so I can tell you that it does work. I have about 8 accounts. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to come in every single day and send out my emails. I like sending out my emails around this time every single night, that between the hours of 9 to midnight. That I like sending out my emails. It just works best for me and my schedule. And then also, before I used to send them out early in the morning when I wake up, and then I go on to do other online activities to make money online. Okay, this is one traffic source one income stream that I use to make money, but this is probably one of the least things that I do to make money because it takes me 5 to 10 minutes to make some money with this, guys, and it's well worth it. This is probably going to be the fastest way for someone new to kind of get start making money, right away consistently. Okay, so this is not some kind of get rich quick scheme. Okay, you're not going to come in here, send out an email, make thousands of dollars or hundreds of dollars, the next day or next week. Okay, nobody's promising you guys anything like that. But what I can can guarantee is that if you stick with this long enough and you send out emails every single day for a certain time period, you will see progress and you will make money. Okay. It's all a numbers game, guys. You send out a certain amount of, emails and you get a certain amount of traffic coming in, you will start to see progress. Okay. Now, the cool thing about this My Legion Secret system, you build up subscribers in this account. Okay. So one of my accounts, what I could do is build up subscribers every single day. So I can get 200 subscribers every single day. And then by the end of the month, I have over 6,000 subscribers in one account. Okay. So that stacks up. Okay. So the longer you stay with the system, those emails stay with you. Okay. Which is pretty cool. So if you stay with My Legion Secret over a year, 2 years, 3 years, okay, you can have over 250,000 leads, okay, with coming in on just one account. Okay. And you can have multiple accounts. So imagine the type of traffic, the type of volume you can send out to a specific offer. Okay. Which is pretty cool. So, I love My Legion Secret. Like I said, I've been with them for a few years. I totally love the service. Like I said, I promote a lot of different offers. Okay, so I know this stuff does work. So you can take my word for it today. My stamp of approval. It does work, guys. So go ahead and get started. Now I do other, traffic sources that I have as well, such as paid advertising. I do solo ads. I do tons of different things, but this right here is one business that I run that is super easy to do and is super quick. I don't have to spend a lot of time doing this every single day. I can come in, spend about 5, 10 minutes, and I'm done doing this method. Okay, and I'm getting paid every single week from doing this method. This is just another income stream that I have with My Legion Secret. All right. So just a little bit about My Legion Secret. There's going to be two ways that you can make money. Two popular ways that you can make money. Okay. Number one is just promoting the My Legion Secret itself. Okay. If you want to just stick with My Legion Secret and just promote My Legion Secret, you can do that. Okay. You can simply go to the mailing system, create an email, use this affiliate link right here to get sales to your My Legion Secret account, and you can start making money just from promoting My Legion Secret. Okay. They do have some pre-written email swipes. If you go into affiliates right here, click on the promo tools, come down here. There's going to be a few, it's going to be about 10 targeted emails that you guys can use. Okay. So you can literally just grab one of these emails, click on import this email right here. What it'll do, it'll import it into the mailing system. Click on the select the last subscribers that you have. That will transfer over to your inbox. That way you can send out one email blast. Okay. If you come down here, this pretty simple, guys. You're already going to have a subject line that's already pre-populated. You don't have to come up with anything. You also already have a body of text that's ready to go. So this email is ready to go. Now, also, it has our affiliate link at the bottom. It's already ready. So all we got to do is come down here, click on perfect timing. Make sure that you have a check mark in this box at all times before you send out your email. And then come down here and click on send. Okay. You're not able to see send now, guys, because I've already sent out my emails for tonight in this account. So you're not going to be able to see it. Okay. But you will see it. Okay. Before you send out an email. If you're getting ready to send out an email, there's going to be two buttons. One that says send now and one that says preview. So when you click on send now, this email is going to go out to however many subscribers that you have built in that account. And then once our prospects, they click on our affiliate link, it takes them to our landing page, and our landing page does all the selling and telling for us. Okay. We don't really have to do anything. All we have to do is get the prospects there to the website. Okay. And then the website does the rest. All right. Cool. So once we do that, guys, like I said, that's going to be one way that you can make money with My Legion Secret. You can literally come in here and just make money with My Legion Secret. The second popular way is to use an affiliate network to send offers to this traffic. Okay, and that's why I was saying in the beginning of this video, you can use different networks. Okay, ClickBank is one network I would recommend you guys get started with because it's super easy to sign up. Okay, it takes about under 5 minutes to sign up, and doesn't take a lot of time at all, guys. Sign up for a free account, doesn't cost you a dime. You'll be able to go into their marketplace and you'll be able to use some of their e-business, e-marketing offers, and you'll be able to grab those offers and send them to this traffic. Okay, and that's the method, guys. That's the method that we're doing for this challenge. All right. So you don't actually have to use ClickBank. You can use Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Max Bounty. There's tons of other CPA networks. If you guys are in this space, there's tons of other ones that work as well. But this is the traffic that you want to use because this traffic is business opportunity traffic. So these people that are coming onto this list every day, these people are looking for ways to make money. Okay. So it's our job to, as affiliate marketers, okay, is to go out and we find offers that are related to making money online. And we put those offers in front of this traffic. And that's where the magic happens. Okay. So that's going to be the second way, okay, to do it. And let me show you one of those emails and what it would look like. So if we grab one of those emails, let me just go down here, boom, right here. Okay. The email from the offer is going to look something like this. Okay. They're going to have a subject line and they're going to have a body of text. Okay. That body of text, and then you're going to have a clickable link right here. When our prospects click on that link, it's going to take them to our affiliate page. Our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Three ways that you guys can send out an email. Like I said, you can create an email. Okay. Use your affiliate link and send that out to this traffic. Number two, you can use an email AI service or Chat GPT to create your emails. You can literally just tell Chat GPT what kind of email you want it to write, or write you an email based on the offer that you're promoting, which is super easy. And then three is going to be using the free email swipes that come with the vendor. Okay. On ClickBank. Okay. So like I said, on ClickBank, there's going to be about four different offers that you guys can use. And all of those offers have pre-written email swipes that all you have to do is copy and paste over to the system. All right. So that's what I was showing you before. These are the type of offers. These are the type of the emails that you will see whenever you guys get signed up. Okay. So you can literally go on ClickBank and then use those pre-written emails, and that's what I would recommend that you guys start with first. Okay, go to ClickBank, use the free swipes first. Once you start getting familiar with using the free swipes, maybe it takes you a couple months to keep going through those same emails. And then on that third month, okay, you can go out and repurpose those emails using AI. Okay, the AI is going to be for more advanced marketers and things like that, for your emails to convert a little bit better. But starting out, you just want to use the free email swipes that come with the vendor. Okay. So I've already sent out my emails for tonight, as I do every night. I'm gonna take you over here to ClickBank, clickbank.com. ClickBank is a free service. Like I said, you can literally go here, create your free account. Okay, it doesn't cost you anything. And then you can get signed up. The cool thing about ClickBank, why I love them so much, is that they pay every single Friday. Okay, so every single Friday you can come in and know that you got a check sent out to you, or you can get direct deposit. Okay. So this is one of my ClickBank accounts. I have multiple accounts. Okay. I use this account just for the My Lead Gen Secret traffic. That way I can show you guys that there's only My Lead Gen Secret traffic with this. There's not any other traffic that I'm using. Okay, for these sales that are coming in. So today is October the 27th. As you can come down here, it's the 27th, 10:58. Just let you know it's not some kind of fake screenshot or anything like that. Like some people use fake screenshots and things like that. I'm, very transparent on what I do. I'm not tricking you guys or anything like that, showing you some fake stuff. This is all real results. Okay. So these are what I like doing is the last 30 days of sales. That way you can see the algorithm and what it looks like. And this has have been the algorithm, what it's been looking like, guys. Okay. As you can see, we've been getting sales pretty consistently. They're coming. You got 4 days in a row. You got 4 days in a row right here. You miss a couple of days, you may get a sales back to back, back to back. Miss a couple of days, miss a couple of days there, or miss a day and then miss a couple of days right there. And really, kind of lately, as you can see, this algorithm, we got 4 sales in a row right here, and this right here, we got 4 sales in a row, but obviously, it's cut off from the 30 days, but as you can see, the algorithm has kind of changed a little bit. Okay. But it's still pretty consistent. Okay. So instead of the 4 days in a row, I'm seeing just 2 days in a row. Okay. That I've been seeing lately. And I'm going to monitor this because this could mean that we need to change up our subject line on some of our emails, or maybe change our emails a little bit if it starts to slow down. So these are the type of things that you got to pay attention to. That way, you can keep the traffic coming in pretty steady. Okay. So this is the algorithm. We're still making sales. We're still on track to make the same amount of money that we've been making, but we're looking for things to change because we're in month 6 now. So from 6 to 12, things are going to be changing. Okay, a little bit. Okay, we should be getting a little bit more sales coming in, and then we're going to be able to bridge this thing together. We can start making sales every single day. So I'm going to be monitoring these emails coming in and just see if we're getting those 2 days, 3 days, 4 days in a row. Which is right now, I'm looking for the 4 days in a row, and we're not getting them right now. So I'm going to be monitoring these emails to see if there's any tweaks or any adjustments that we need to make. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys that today we did earn a sale today. Obviously, we got a sale today, which is really good. And everything is good. So I recommend you guys getting started with the ClickBank account and getting your ClickBank account and go ahead and get started today with My Lead Gen Secret. If you guys come down here, I did leave a link below this video. So if you come down here and click on more, click on this MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you to the My Lead Gen Secret landing page. If you come down here, guys, you're going to see multiple people earning income with My Lead Gen Secret. Okay. I'm not the only one making money here. Okay. There's other people doing it. All right. So I would recommend you guys getting started with this company. And you can come right here where it says join MLGS now. Click on that. It's going to take you in so you can go ahead and get started. Pay your $60, $30 a month to keep the service. It's a no-brainer. Okay, I don't even have to go into that. It's very cheap to get this traffic, and in return, you're going to get tons of traffic, and you're going to make sales, and you're going to make money. Okay. So go ahead and get started. If you're watching this video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel. Okay. It helps the algorithm. It helps get this message out to people, other people who are looking to make money online. And it just, helps the community. Okay. So subscribe, like this video. I'm going to come back here tomorrow. I've sent out my emails tonight already. So I'm going to come back here tomorrow, and I'll meet you guys back here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.